Wow, it's beautiful. I'm going to the club with a taxi Desu.
Hi, Angelica. Did you want going to the club? Please?
No, you're not going to Club L because a disco dancing event.
That's it. I'm going to the living room. Washington. Hey.
Hey. Two, why are you crying?
I'm going to the club. Please?
I didn't know going to club, because he's still grounded.
I'm going to club, because he's deep trouble.
Angelica is coming. Angelica, did you want going to club?
Yes, I'm going to club.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the disco club, and today I'll be showing you Will dancing on the club. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Let's go the playing song. 3, 1, 0.
Tapi saat hujan batuk, susah untuk fokus dan tampil maksimal. Ini sangat mengganggu.
Uh-oh! Your child sneezes in the club. And your kids will become idiots. Forever, forever, forever. No. Angelica, you're such an idiot, sir. 2, I drink a water toilet first, yes? Please? Yeah, come here. Ah, the great bro. It smells like Joz Gendos. Pete mixed and coal.
Hey. Are you caught drinking toilet water? How could you drink a toilet water, Joz Gendos?
No. Why can it come? Wah.
Ouch, 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 the smell, it's toilet on the poop.
Who it's it? Who it's it? Oh, it's Teletubbies, yeah.
Teletubbies your father's head Gootula?
What? You are International Angelica Day anymore. You haven't laughing. Hello Kitty, it's still a long time to show.
A few moments later.
So, are you recovered?
Yes, I'm not influencer Desu.
Good, let's get this started.
Are you ready of your dancing?
Sure.